Hi there, students. To take hold, and to take hold of something. So, would you take hold of my pen? Yeah. Okay, so just to hold. He took hold of my bike while I picked up the things that I had dropped. We also use to take hold, meaning to start to have effect or influence. We use it intransitively without a direct object. So, for example, I had a terrible headache and then I took some aspirin, but it took about half an hour for the aspirin to take hold, to start to have an effect, to gain control, to gain influence. And we very often use this phrase to take hold intransitively, no direct object, to mean to have control, to become strong and established, and maybe even difficult to stop. So the government introduced new economic policies, but they took 6 months to take hold, to begin to have an effect, to begin to become strong and embedded in the society. Everybody was nervous and I tried to keep them calm, but eventually panic took hold. Okay, they started to panic. Panic took hold of the people. Panic took hold of them. As a teacher, it's important to correct mistakes when students first make them, because if they take hold, they can be very difficult to correct. The fire quickly took hold of the car, so it quickly engulfed the car. So this to have an effect on, to have control over. I think take hold of is normally just to hold something. You can use it in this control or influence way, but you need your direct object, and normally something takes hold. The thing that takes hold is the thing that's important, and we know what it is taking hold of. Okay, so most normally just take hold of, to hold on to something. Would you take hold of my books? So, to take hold, to have influence. More examples. Capitalism is taking hold in China with a vengeance. We could use hold of China as well, but I think capitalism is taking hold in China with a vengeance. So, to begin to have complete control. I planted some new trees and I had to water them for several months in order for them to take hold, to become strong, to stop them dying, to establish themselves so that they could then grow on their own. Okay, so to take hold. What about formality? I think this phrase to take hold, it's ever so slightly formal, but you could definitely use it in an informal conversation. But it sounds very good in a formal writing or something like that. The effects took hold slowly. Yeah? So an effect or a factor takes hold, or it could even take hold with a vengeance. Okay, so to take hold, to start to have an effect, to gain control or influence. And remember, you can use it both formally and informally. Panic took hold. Don't let bad habits take hold. The young plants took hold after several months. the fire took hold of the car. So there you go. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Take hold. Take hold of.